Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to insert images into text. First, take your image and align it with the text. Ensure that you have enabled the snipping tool. In the layer panel, simply drag the image above the text. Let me center it a little. You can also change the text by clicking on the text once, then again, and double-clicking to select the entire word. But as you can see, we need to adjust the image. We can move it using the Move tool. The shortcut is V. So as I said, click once, then again to change the text. Or double-clicking directly to select the image. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel for more.